A video of Chidinma Ojukwu confessing to killing the chief executive officer of Super TV, Usifo Ataga, all by herself, was played in a Lagos High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square, TBS, on Tuesday, October 11. Ms. Chidinma Ojukwu, a 300-level mass communication student at the University of Lagos, Unilag, is the prime suspect in Ataga's murder. In the video, Ataga was seen lying on the floor facing up with his hands spread open, wearing a white singlet and boxers stained with blood. His head was close to the wall and there was blood on the floor on his right hand side. There were also large blood stains on the floor and the pillow and duvet cover. Narrating how she killed Ataga during interrogation by Deputy Superintendent of Police Olusegun Bamidele from the Intelligence and Tactical Unit of the State Crime Investigation Department, Panti Yaba, Chidinma Ojukwu said she met Ataga through a friend and they started speaking to each other. On June 13, 2021, he asked her to look for a place for them to stay, so she got the shortlet apartment where the ex drank, took drugs and where he was killed, she said. Do you think the law court is dragging the case?